Let's proceed with discussing testing theory, and today we're going to talk about the shift-left approach in testing. What is it and how to apply it in your project? We know that classic software development lifecycle consists of requirement analysis, design, development, testing, deployment and maintenance. So the testing phase goes after the development. However, the early testing principle claims that the testing procedures should start as soon as possible. That's why it is really popular lately to apply the shift-left approach in testing, meaning that the testing phase goes before the development and sometimes even back to the requirement analysis phase. How we can apply this approach on the project is review requirements, specifications and any other documentation related to the project from the perspective of testers. So we need to search for the potential defects by finding inconsistencies, incompletenesses, ambiguities and so on. Then we can start the creation of test cases during the development phase, so that when the system is ready for testing, we can start the execution of test cases right away. Also, we can implement the continuous integration in our project that will help us to define defects as soon as possible, right after each push to the repository. On the component level, we can apply automated testing and non-functional testing, so the testing will begin even before the whole system is ready for end tests. Also, we can do the static analysis of the source code prior to the functional testing. Overall, the shift-left approach will require more effort and resources in the beginning of the SDLC process. However, it will help us to save resources and money later on, because we know that the earlier defects are found within the life cycle, the cheaper they are to fix. Don't forget to subscribe for more testing and coding hacks.